Hey guys, what's up? So I am so happy and thrilled that you stumbled on this video. If it is the first time that you're seeing my video, my name is Nicholas Rahim. I live in Trinidad and Tobago. I'm actually an ex 9 to 5er going full-time affiliate marketer. And this YouTube channel is to show you guys different ways to generate passive income outside of your 9 to 5 job. Now, this is a video about Honeygain, the set and forget app, right? So we're on the website here. It says Honeygain, passive income effortlessly. So what this app does is that it pays you for your unused internet bandwidth. You simply install the app. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description so that you can install the Honeygain app. And if you happen to use that link, you're gonna get a $5 bonus just for registering using my link. Now, the chances are you stumble on this video because you're looking for a way to generate passive income. So the second link just below the Honeygain app, I'm going to leave a link for a 100% free affiliate marketing course so you can get started in your affiliate marketing journey as well and learn how to build an automated system. This way you're going to get faster results. So basically with the Honeygain app, you're going to install the app and you're going to share it to others in order to generate passive income. This is a set and forget app. It is also backed by Trustpilot, which is excellent. A lot of people do recommend Trustpilot stuff because it is actually reliable. So this is an easy way to earn passive income as well. So let's say you register for Honeygain. You're going to get a link or affiliate link which you could share to others. So let's say you have different mobile devices in your household, laptop, mobile devices and other stuff. You could also install the app on the same site, honeygain.com. Install the app whether I have an Apple or Android, and you could log in using your same credentials that you created your account here, and that will help you gather more Honeygain points, which will eventually turn into cash. When you reach 20 USD, you're able to cash out. Now, I'm going to show you all proof that this actually pays. So I'm going straight to my PayPal account here. Right, so I'm logged in into my PayPal account and I'm actually showing you guys proof that this actually pays. You guys see Swarmbite. So you guys see Swarmbite, $17.85, and this was on the 23rd of October. So I'm simply asking, if you're seeing this video, be sure to smash that like button because it's going to help the algorithm to know who to put this content in front of. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to get the 100% free course, free affiliate marketing course in the description below, and also use my Honeygain link to get your $5 bonus. So everyone, have an amazing day today and take care, and God bless.